There, friends, welcome. All right, so today we're going to be doing a multiplication problem using the checkerboard. So let's go get that off the shelf. Alrighty, there it is. I'm going to grab that there, bring it on over. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your board, set it out flat in front of you, and then you're going to have these two boxes sitting off to the side or maybe in front of it, so you have them at your access. So when you're setting up your board, you're going to want your white line of numbers at the very bottom right in front of you and the gray off to the right. All right, I'm going to open up my boxes. So these are the tiles. And as you can see, the tiles are color-coded. How awesome, right? So the gray numbers are the multiplier. The white numbers are the multiplican, right? And they go down here. And then here are your beads. Let's open up those guys. And as you see, they're the beads that we're very used to using, right? The golden are not the golden material, but they're the beads that we're used to, the bead bars, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and ones that you're very used to using. So we're going to be using the same beads that we're used to using with our checkerboard. All right. So first, let's get our problem. Here we are. So we're going to do, let's do 22 times 3. Okay. I'm going to show you how to solve this problem using this checkerboard. Here we go. So we're going to place the tiles down below and set up the numbers. So the first number right here is your multiplier, or I'm sorry, your multiplican. So your multiplican is going to go down here. My multiplican this time is 22. So I'm going to go to my white tiles and I'm going to get 22. So 20 is your red numbers, right? So we're going to get a 2 out of here. There it is. 2 with the 2 red on there. And the 20s, like where the 10s are. 22. So then we're going to go to the units, which are green. We're going to get out a green 2. Oh, there it is. Grab the 2. It's green. 22. So now I have the number 22 here. Times 3. So now I'm going to go to the gray, get the multiplier, and it's a unit, 3, so it's going to be a green. We're going to get out a green tile 3. There it is, a green 3. And I'm going to place that right there. All right, so now that we have that set up, now we're going to be using the bars. Let me bring those on down closer to us. And we're going to fill in these cubes. So it says this would be 3 times 2. So what you would do is you would get out 3 2 bars, or you could get out 2 3 bars. It's really up to you. They're interchangeable. So I like to go from the multiplier down. So I'm going to say I want to get out 3 2 bars. Also, I like to count by 2s. I find them much easier to count by. So I'm going to grab out 3 2 bars. So I'm going to go to the 2 bar section. I'm going to grab out 1, 2, because it says 3. 3 2 bars. There are 3 2 bars there. So that's what that would look like. Then we're going to move over. 3 times 2, right? This number touches each number. So I have to get out again 3 2 bars. So I'm going to go to my 2s again and get out 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 2 bars. Now, once you have filled in your boxes, now you're going to start back in the units and you're going to count the beads individually. Now you can sit here and count the beads individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That's totally fine. And you can write down 6 and you write equals 6. Or you could have counted by 2s. 2, 4, 6. And that's why I pulled out the 2s, because I like to count by 2s. And then again, you would move over here. 2, 4, 6. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to write down 6. Oh my goodness. So we just solved the problem. 22 times 3 equals 66 by using the stamp game. How cool is that? So that, my friends, is a static multiplication problem using the checkerboard. All right, so thanks for coming to my lesson. In the description will be a couple extra problems of follow-up work to do. Please do that, write those down, work it out with your checkerboard, and then send me in your work. Thanks, and I'll see you next time, friends.